We are going to do an unboxing video of the Cricut Explore Air 2. I do have the Cricut maker at home, but I have a secondary house up north, cabin, that I wanted to bring my business to up here so I could continue to work up here. So we are just doing an unboxing and checking it out. This was on Amazon. I believe it was $169. I didn't need anything too fancy because I'm just doing stickers. All right. So this is the box here. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. Right, here it is. I actually expected this to be more of like a mint color, but looking through the styrofoam here, it looks to be like a baby blue. Ooh, it is. That is super pretty. I think I'm gonna go and put it on my table and take off the plastic. Here's what she looks like, all unwrapped. I probably won't get a chance to set it up until tomorrow, but I could definitely do a video for all the newbies out there. This is my 4th Cricut machine, I believe. Very first one I had the Explorer, and then I wanted to cut different material, so I got the maker. Oh, actually no, I had one before that, before the Explorer. I can't remember which one that is. Super pretty. Little compartments down here to store your tools and your pens, which I think I have mine actually right here. The pen comes with it, as well as the power cord. So you can store that in here. Usually the fine blade comes with it. Good, that's in there. I did buy a deep cut blade too, just in case, but looking good. Thanks so much for watching.